With the war against coronavirus getting prolonged, starting our school real time was not likely to happen anytime soon. So, the decision to open on a virtual platform. It was a real challenge for all the teachers with almost no resources, but they did it. The reviews from our pre-primary parents says it all.
Hello, myself Dr. C. Mehta and he's my sweet daughter Shivpriya Mehta studying class nursery, Credo World School. First of all, I would like to give my heartiest thanks to the principal, to the director, to the chairman of Credo World School who has started this school very nicely with full of world-class amenities in the city of Dhanbad. I have never seen such type of school earlier in our state. Thank you so much, and thank you so much to her class teacher Mrs. Paromita Banerjee, whose teaching pattern is very nicely. She is really impressed everyone, and she is every day she is waiting her call, and the virtual classes, the way of teaching pattern she is providing is very nicely.
Hi, I'm Shravanya Gupta.
Hi, I'm Megha Gupta, mother of Shivanya Gupta. My child is happily enjoying the virtual class. She really gets excited for the same. And I guess through this virtual class, all the kids are going to be more confident and it will improve their communication skills as well. And Arpita ma'am is doing a fabulous job. The way she talks to her child is really very impressive. My daughter loves her and I'm totally satisfied. And we really wait for the activities too, as they are really very exciting. I give 10 out of 10 overall, and I'm looking forward for more engrossing activities which are going to enhance the brain activity of our child. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Isha, and first of all I would like to congratulate everyone who is associated with Credo World School for the adventurous journey that they have embarked upon. And secondly, I was a little bit skeptical of the fact that whether virtual classes would be as beneficial for the kids as young as nursery. My kid is in nursery. But I was very pleasantly surprised. And I must say that the teacher is making a lot of effort so that the children are involved with her. And my kid especially, she is very enthusiastic and is always looking forward for every virtual class that she gets and every interaction that she gets on video call. And she wants to listen to the kid, the teacher. She wants to be obedient to the teacher and she wants to do all the things that the teacher asks her to. And I must say that I must appreciate the teacher sincerely, that she's making a lot of effort so that the kid is willing to be entertained with her and wanting to talk to her. And lastly, I would like to say that I'm very much enthusiastic of the fact that let's everyone come together in these very dark times and let's make a brighter future. Thank you.
Hey there, I am Akshay Vashne's mother here. You all are doing great job because these virtual classes are really tough for the teachers to conduct, but they are doing it very effectively. I must say Deepa ma'am is putting great effort because handling kids on phone is not so easy, and they are identifying her very well, and she is pretty good in whatever she is doing and making all those virtual sessions interesting for the kids. It's commendable. I'm happy with the CWS efforts, whatever your people are putting in it. But again, I want to add on that we all know that lockdown is not going to open so soon. So the session is either going to get delayed or you people have to continue through online mode only. So if we as parents can get the syllabus and the books for the kids, and that will be beneficial. Accordingly, we can teach our child, we can just plan out the studies, patterns, everything. So that is one thing that I want from your side. And otherwise, you people are good, too good. Hats off.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ankita and my son name is Ajman. He is studying in KG1 section A. Due to COVID-19, we are staying at home, and I think you all are staying at home and are safe. We have been asked to give feedback regarding parent-student happiness meter. I think I am very much satisfied with these video sessions and the virtual class which have been going on. His class teacher Arpita ma'am is very polite and kind-hearted. My child is very much familiar with her and used to interact with her. Whatever questions she asks, he gives reply, and she has very much patience to handle these small kids on phone, on videos, and I think in coming years CWS will fulfill all our expectations and will nurture our kids also. And I'll rate CWS on the rate 9 out of 10, and I'm very much happy with this virtual classes, and every day he used to see that what assignments he has been given, he has to do what ma'am has given. He is very eager to attend the video classes. So at last I'll thank everyone. I'll thank principal ma'am, teachers, staffs, and especially Arpita ma'am, that without her it could not have been possible at all. Thank you so much. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ruchika Mahajan, mother of Divling Kaur. I am very much satisfied with the idea of virtual class. After lockdown, I am very worried about my kids' studies, but the virtual class idea is very good. Arpita ma'am is doing very good job. I am very much satisfied and giving 10 out of 10 to Credo World School. All the best for your future.
Hi, I am Asmarika mom. I am very glad that my child is studying in Credo World School. The all effort of virtual classes is very remarkable, and I especially thanks to CWS team and Deepa ma'am. Her way of teaching is very inspiring and motivating, to which discover my child to learn new things daily. Thank you very much. I give 10 out of 10 in overall rating. Say thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Ubya's mother Shilpa Poddar. Being the new school in Dhanbad, that to the first batch, we were very excited for our kid, but the excitement was shaken because of COVID-19. The school's management and the faculties have done a tremendous job. They have come out with a great idea of virtual classes and WhatsApp calling. Neha ma'am has become so friendly with Ubya that I can't believe they have never met. The way she delivers her classes and makes her dance on her rhyming tunes is just outstanding. I'll rank 10 out of 10 to Neha ma'am and the school for their marvelous job. Thank you, Neha ma'am.
My name is Meeka Kundu.
Hi, I am Koil Kundu. My daughter Meeka enjoys the virtual classes and she loves to do the activities given by her class teacher. Deepa ma'am is doing a very good job, and I give 10 out of 10 overall. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello ma'am, I am Ved Lodha.
And I am Shilpa Lodha, mother of Ved Lodha, and I am very happy to see that my son enjoying and learning from these classes. And I never expected and imagined about virtual classes in this tough situation, in this tough lockdown situation. So thank you Neha ma'am and whole team of Credo for this effort. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I am giving 10 out of 10 to Neha ma'am.
Good afternoon ma'am, myself Payal Agarwal, mother of Sarthak Agarwal. Despite being a new school, not very well known with the students and the mothers, the way you are conducting classes are commendable. The tasks are designed so thoughtfully that the students are enjoying while learning something new. And in my opinion, the best teachers are the teachers who teaches from the heart, not from the books. And that's what you are doing, ma'am Neha. Hats off to you. In parent teacher happiness meter, I will give you 10 upon 10. Thank you.
Hello ma'am.
Hello ma'am.
I am Manjushree Chakraborty, mother of Manak Chakraborty. I am very thankful to the Credo World School and especially to Neha ma'am. She is very lovable. The way she is teaching is incredible. My son is eagerly waiting for your videos and also for your virtual class. His interest in study and also in art and craft is growing day by day after watching your videos. I am giving you 10 on 10. Thank you.
Love you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Abhyang Pansari.
And myself, Priyanka Pansari. I want to say something about the virtual classes that is going on. Your way of teaching kids is very innovative, ma'am. That is so appreciable. I never thought virtual classes will be so fun and incredible. My son is enjoying it very much. When you are giving the virtual classes, that time I feel that you are right beside my son. Thank you for the bestest you are giving to us. You are really amazing and I score you 10 out of 10. Thank you, ma'am, for your support, and I thank Credo World School for their support too. Love you, ma'am.
Love you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. After admission, one was very happy to know he will go to Credo World School. But unfortunately, due to COVID-19, he can't go to school. And I am so much worried about his studies. But after the virtual classes, his studies are not hampered, and he is enjoying these virtual classes a lot with Neha ma'am. And she is very well connected with the student and with the mother. And I am very lucky to have Neha ma'am as my son's class teacher, and I am giving her 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love you, ma'am.
I love you, ma'am.
I love Credo School.
I love Credo World School. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, I am Khushbu Thakur, mother of R.V. Thakur. My child is really enjoying the virtual session and every day he is eagerly waiting for your videos. The teaching style of yours is really helpful for my child, especially his class teacher who is so lovable to all. I would like to score her 10 out of 10 as she is worth it. Thank you.
हाय, मैं राजनंदनी का पापा हूँ। मेरा नाम राजेश कुमार मंडल है। मुझे विशेष रूप से यह कहना है कि दीपा मैम का जो वे ऑफ टीचिंग काफ़ी सराहनीय है, एज वेल एज इम्प्रेसिव। मेरा एक सपना था कि मेरा बेटी क्रेडो वर्ल्ड स्कूल में पढ़े, जो कि इस वर्चुअल क्लासेस से मेरा सपना धीरे धीरे पूरा हो रहा है। थैंक यू।
Respected Principal Madam, we the parent of Arnav Chauhan feel very comfortable to give our child in your caring and helping hand. Your teacher and the way of teaching is commendable. We as parents can clearly see the growth and development in our child. My child is enjoying the verbal classes.
और दीपा मैम को हम लोग 10 में 10
Hello, I am Monica Jindal, mother of Avyansh Jindal. I am very thankful to Credo World School for the support and love you are trying to give our child. Especially a heartful of thanks to the class teacher of KG1B, Neha ma'am. She is very loving, caring, and the way she is trying to teach my child is very much credible. Especially the session she adds is very much excited, as my child is always excited and interested to do the activities you are giving. The Credo World School is giving my child much beyond my expectation in this crucial period of lockdown. I would like to score 10 out of 10 in Parents-Child Happiness Meter. Thanks a lot.
Ms. Kejriwal, a student of Credo World School.
I am Karishma Kejriwal, mother of Laksh Kejriwal, and I want to share my experience on virtual classes. As because of COVID-19, all schools are closed, but school is providing its virtual classes so that the child's studies are not hampered. School is doing its best, and especially thanks to class teacher of class KG1B, Neha ma'am. She is too good and her way of teaching is very nice. She deals with children in a very friendly manner. She is very caring and loving. Her way of teaching is very unique, which improves in child's knowledge. And the extracurricular activities given by her is the best way to attract children. Children wait for the video call done by her. Neha ma'am, you are the best and you scored 10 out of 10. Thank you.
I love you, Neha ma'am.
Hello ma'am, I am Anamika Anand, mother of Arjun Anand. My son is enjoying study through virtual classes. Teachers have very good way to teaching. Neha ma'am is very good. My son is enjoying the way she is teaching very well. Thanks to Neha ma'am, and I am very satisfied and give you 10 out of 10. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Neha Agrawal, mother of Anna Agrawal. I'm very thankful Credo World School because they started digital classes. I'm also thank Neha ma'am. She loves students very much. Neha ma'am, you are a superhero for my child. Your way to talk is too cute. I give 10 by 10. I love you, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Daksh's mother. I'm very much thankful to the Credo World School for giving us this virtual class. As far as Neha ma'am is concerned, I like her way of teaching. It's very energetic and I really appreciate that. But one thing I would like to say you ma'am, that my child Daksh is a very shy nature. I'm very much eagerly, I'm really eagerly waiting for the school to start. Thank you ma'am.
Good morning everyone. I am Parvez, father of Mahim Parvez. Credo World School is the really great institution of Dhanbad, and I am really very much happy with the teaching quality of Credo World School. Firstly, I would like to thanks to class teacher of Mahim, Miss Deepa ma'am. Their teaching style is really very nice, very much comfortable. Mahim always loves to attend their classes and to do the activities. And being a parent, I know the importance of activities. Overall, I will give 10 on 10 to Credo World School. And really, I would like to thank the whole management team of Credo World School. All the best, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your overwhelming support and high scores on our parent-child happiness meter. Our strive to be the best continues.